Hi everyone. Do you want to make 2022 year of success for you and your family, or do you want top digital entrepreneurs, mentors and coach work for you and then you earn 6 to 7 figure earnings per month? Here is a great opportunity of done for you business in a box. I am Dr. Vikram here, founder of SnapHub, is on a mission to make sure that 1,000 people achieve their financial freedom in the year 2022. Here is a great opportunity to be a part of an inner circle program called Snap Ambassador, completely free, zero cost. And so you can make use of the tools, techniques and all the systems in place, and you should be able to write a ticket to yourself and see the year 2022 as a year of success for you and your family, provided you are committed, you are focused, you are open for learning, and you are open for giving to people. And thereby we can change the lives of millions of people in India. Thereby the way forward is digital. We all know about it. This particular program is a pandemic proof and a recession proof. You would like to enjoy the best use of the opportunity. You don't have to fly an economy class when you have a business class ticket for free. Am I right? So please take the business class ticket. Don't have to go through the entire frustration of building an online digital business. You can be a part of the program within the next 60 minutes, and you can definitely take control of your online digital business overnight. You can see the success. It is a low-hanging fruit. You can enjoy the best benefit of the low-hanging fruit through Affiliate Marketing Academy. And I assure you that your year 2022 is going to be a year of success, because the mentors which are behind us are top guys who have written history in the industry, and you should be very lucky enough to work with them. Thank you so much. I would like to see you in the part of the community, and you can be a part of Snap Ambassador community. Thereby you can easily make your year 2022 year of success, and you should be able to achieve your financial freedom. I promise you, I assure you that you will be able to do that. Be a part of the program for free and let us rock the show. Thank you so much. I'll see you there.